folks, welcome back. We're going to be continuing on today with our Christmas treats for this year. And today's Monday for you all. Hopefully y'all have a great day and a blessed week. It's Christmas week this week. Alrighty, now what we're going to be making today is pecan log cookies. And what you're going to need 1 cup of butter softened, 5 tablespoons of confectionery sugar, powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of finely chopped pecans, and we'll need a little bit of powdered sugar at the end to roll these in. It sounds like a pretty simple recipe. We'll give it a try here and see. We're going to start off, we'll put our butter down into the bowl and add our sugar, and we're going to cream that approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Now we've softened our butter up. Folks, I'm going to go shut that camera off right now, or we'll be hearing that the whole time. I'll be right back. What I tell you. Alrighty, we went and got that turned off. Carolyn, she's not feeling good. She's been sick all weekend. Now, let me grab us a 1, 3, 4. Phew, it's squeaking. 5. Alright. Now, put the lid back on that. Lock it in. And I'll bring you back in a few minutes here. Alrighty, you can see it's pretty light and airy in there. Now we're going to beat in the vanilla. One, 2. Alright. Now, let's add in our flour. Knock it down off the sides a little bit there. Toss a little bit of butter there. Close it back down. Alrighty, it's coming together there now. Hold on 1 second. Let's raise this back up. Now I went ahead and chopped our pecans up a little bit finer. There we go. Couple on the counter here. Locked in. Alrighty. Now let's get our thing cleaned up here. And what we're going to do now, after I get this here, all the goodness cleaned off of this, we're going to place it in the refrigerator and let it chill. About 30 minutes, folks. 30 minutes for us, just a few minutes for you all there. We'll see you here shortly. Alright, we've let the dough sit for right around 30 minutes. Now I'm going to do it just a little bit different from what it said there. I'm just going to form them in my hand. I don't see why you couldn't make them into little balls either. Or as far as that goes, flatten them out into cookies. And try to get them around a 1/2 inch thick. And once again, we'll probably be doing a taste test here in a little bit without Daniel. He's at work. Hopefully this will be the last night before Christmas he's got to work. And then it says there 15 to 18 minutes in the oven. It says till they're lightly browned. We'll just keep an eye on it. We'll let you know how long it took us. Alright, we're going to put the rest of this dough back in the refrigerator. Let it stay cold. We'll see you here shortly. Alrighty, we cooked ours for 15 minutes. As you can see, they started to turn brown, lightly brown. Now we're going to place them over here on the cooling rack and let them start to cool down. But before they get plumb cool, we're going to put some powdered sugar out and roll them in it. And then hopefully they're good. Uh-oh. Dropped one of them. Well, at least it didn't break. Alrighty. Now, we'll be letting them cool. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the rest of the batter on here. I won't bug you in showing you that there. See you in just a minute. Alright. We let them cool off just a little bit there. I got me some powdered sugar in this bowl. We're just going to roll them in it. And then, I don't know if Carolyn Bell tastes it or not. We'll get her in here in just a minute for a taste test. Now, I made these in just a little bit bigger than what the recipe called for. It said about a 1/2 inch. These are probably closer to 3/4 of an inch. Getting close to it anyway. And then we'll try them out here. I fixed the rest of them on the cookie sheet there in the oven right now. If they turned out good, I'll run Mom and Dad over some. Hopefully they're good. Probably tomorrow night I need to make another, I guess this time 2 or 3 batches of those sugar cookies. Alright. Hopefully you can see them there. Chug, we're not going to plate them up, we'll just get them off this rack.
Yeah.
Pretty good, folks.
And taste that. Good.
Sort of like them pecan sandy cookies. Alrighty, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. We'll decide by then if we're going to do another treat or if we'll actually do a meal. Sorry. I've been a little bit on the sick side myself here lately. Not as bad as Carolyn.
It's went through all of us.
Alrighty, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank y'all.
The snow is falling soft and light. The fire's burning warm and bright. The goats are tucked inside the barn, protected safe from winter's harm. The time we take to share it all with folks like you, and everything we love to do. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. From garden rows to kitchen stoves, and all the paths the tractor rows, you tune in daily, week by week, for every lesson that we speak. May your holiday be sweet and slow, wrapped up in ribbons, tied with a bow. Remembering all the blessings found when Christmas cheer is all around. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. Merry Christmas to you, and a Happy New Year too, from all of us here at Holmans Homestead. God bless you.